I'm on my bike right now, and your boy just lost his chain. Chosen few one time. You see what boss lady got in her hand, y'all? That's a chain.
Wait a minute, I whooped the nigga out of his chain.
That's all bad.
Fontaine, I'm coming for your ass. Chain and all.
Hey.
Hey, nah, you know what? Real talk. Boss lady savage nigga bite before they ring. That's real talk though.
Hey, y'all don't want this, man. Y'all niggas is crazy thinking y'all want this shit. Okay, so you finna get a close-up one time of what's really going down. They gotta push his bike because she done whooped him out the chain. That's KT. That's him right there. Trying to get away. Hey man, say something to the camera, homie.
Boss lady did that. I ain't tripping. I'll be back out here though. Hey, that's
Out his chain.
That's, man, she sabotaged your nigga shit. Hey, I'm leaving it at that though. KT? Oh, what's your boy name? Lotto? I shitted on him already, so y'all can have 1 and 1. You come in with boss like dog. Hey, I wasn't talking.
Oh.
And I'm definitely gonna get you, Fontaine. Be ready. I'm taking chains. I'm gonna clap this up. I might even hang it on my neck.
Hey, she said what it said, man. Y'all niggas don't even know how. Man. Boss like Billy, out of here.